Take a look at your garage shelf. You probably have hundreds of dollars in specialized cleaners and fluids. The industry loves selling us a different bottle for every bolt on the car. But one of the most versatile protective tools you can own costs less than $5 and is likely sitting in your bathroom cabinet right now. I'm talking about Vaseline. Old school mechanics know it's not just for dry skin. It's a secret weapon against rust and freezing temperatures. Today, I'll show you 10 practical hacks to prevent expensive mechanical failures. But be careful. Used wrong, this stuff is dangerous. I'll show you exactly where not to put it later. Stick around, because hack number 1 will save classic car owners a fortune. Hack number 10. Protect battery terminals. Prevent corrosion. Let's kick things off under the hood with one of the most common issues drivers face: battery corrosion. Open your hood and look at your battery terminals. Do you see a white, blue, or green powdery substance growing around the posts? That is lead sulfate or copper sulfate corrosion. It happens when hydrogen gas releases from the battery acid and mixes with the atmosphere. If you ignore this, that corrosion creates high electrical resistance. Eventually, your car won't start. You'll turn the key and get that dreaded clicking sound. Worse, the corrosion can eat away at the metal clamp itself, requiring you to replace the entire cable assembly. Think about the potential bill here. A tow truck because your car won't start is easily $100. A new battery because you thought yours was dead? That's another $150 to $250. And replacing corroded battery cables can run upwards of $300 for parts and labor. But you can prevent this entirely with Vaseline. First, focus on safety. Disconnect the negative cable, then the positive. Clean the terminals thoroughly with a wire brush and a mixture of baking soda and water to neutralize the acid. Rinse and dry them completely. Once they are clean and shiny, reconnect your cables, positive first, then negative. Now, take a generous glob of Vaseline. Smear it all over the exposed metal of the terminal and the clamp. Vaseline is non-conductive, but because you clamped the metal tight before applying it, the connection remains solid. The Vaseline acts as an airtight seal. It prevents moisture and air from reaching the metal, stopping corrosion before it starts. Your battery lasts longer and your car starts every time. Hack number 9. Lubricate door hinges and latches. Next up, let's talk about that annoying squeak every time you open your door, hood, or trunk. Over time, the factory grease in your hinges and latches dries out or gets washed away by car washes and rain. That squeak isn't just annoying, it's the sound of metal grinding on metal. If you leave a hinge dry for too long, the pin will wear down. Eventually, the door will sag. When a door sags, it doesn't close properly, leading to water leaks and wind noise. Realigning a car door is a nightmare, and replacing welded hinges usually requires a body shop. You are looking at hundreds of dollars for a problem that costs pennies to fix. Petroleum jelly is an excellent light-duty lubricant for these low-heat, high-friction areas. To fix it, grab a paper towel and wipe away any old gritty black grease from the door hinges and the latch mechanism on the door jamb. Take a fingerful of Vaseline and smear it into the hinge mechanism. Then, work the door back and forth. Open and close it about 10 times. You will feel the resistance drop. Do the same for the hood latch and the trunk mechanism. It silences the noise instantly. But more importantly, it reduces friction wear, keeping your door alignment true for the life of the car. Hack number 8. Prevent door deals from freezing. For those of you in the US, Midwest, Canada, or the UK, you know the pain of a frozen morning. This leads us to number 8. Rubber weather stripping is porous. In winter, water gets into those pores or sits on the surface. When the temperature drops below freezing, that water turns to ice, effectively welding your rubber door seal to the metal frame of the car. If you pull the handle and the seal stays stuck, you'll rip the weather stripping right off the door, or worse, you'll pull so hard you snap the plastic door handle. Replacement OEM weather stripping is shockingly expensive, often $100 to $200 per door, and installing it is tedious work. Fortunately, Vaseline is hydrophobic, meaning it naturally repels water. Start by cleaning your rubber door seals with a damp cloth to remove grit, then dry them. Apply a very thin layer of Vaseline along the entire rubber strip. Use a clean rag to massage it in, and be sure to wipe off any excess so it doesn't get on your clothes. This process conditions the rubber, keeping it supple so it doesn't crack as it ages. More importantly, in winter, it creates a barrier so water cannot freeze the door shut. You'll be the only one on your block not wrestling with your car door at 6 a.m. Hack number 7. Restore faded plastic trim, temporary. Moving to the exterior aesthetics, let's look at modern cars covered in black plastic cladding, like bumpers and wheel arches. Over time, UV rays bake the oils out of this plastic, turning it from a deep black to a chalky, sad-looking gray. This makes even a clean car look neglected and kills the resale value because the vehicle looks like it's been sitting in a field for a decade. Dedicated restorers can cost $20 a bottle, but many are just overpriced silicone oils. Vaseline is a great alternative to rehydrate the plastic. To be transparent, this is a temporary fix rather than a permanent dye, but it works perfectly in a pinch. Start by washing the plastic thoroughly. Apply a small amount of Vaseline to a microfiber cloth and rub it into the faded areas using circular motions. You'll see the color deepen immediately. Let it sit for 5 minutes, then take a clean, dry towel and buff it off vigorously to remove any greasy residue. This brings back a rich, dark finish and even repels water. It usually lasts a few weeks or until your next heavy car wash. It's a brilliant trick if you're selling a car or heading to a meet and don't have specialized products on hand. Hack number 6. Protect windshield wiper arms, not blades. Pay close attention to the distinction here. We are talking about the metal arm, not the rubber blade. That arm takes a beating from the sun, rain, and snow. Over time, the paint chips off and the metal begins to rust. More critically, the spring at the base, which pushes the wiper against the glass, can seize up. If that spring corrodes and loses tension, your wipers won't press hard enough against the windshield, leaving streaks and untouched spots during heavy rain. That's a serious visibility hazard. Replacing these is often a dealer-only expense, costing between $50 and $80 per arm. To fix this with lubrication and protection, lift the wiper arm and clean the spring mechanism at the base. Dab a little Vaseline into the spring and the hinge, then work the arm up and down to distribute it. If your paint is flaking, you can also rub a very thin layer over the metal arm itself to stop rust from spreading. This keeps the spring moving freely, ensuring maximum downforce on your windshield. Just a quick, important note. Do not get Vaseline on the rubber wiper blade or the glass. It will smear and create a mess. This is strictly for the metal hardware. Before we get to the top 5, if you've learned something new today or found these tips helpful, please take a second to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support truly helps Motor Minds grow and allows us to keep bringing you these practical, no-nonsense videos. We appreciate you being part of the community. Now, let's get back to the list. Hack number 5. Prevent rust on exposed metal. This is perhaps the most valuable hack for anyone living in the Rust Belt. Salt, brine, and moisture are the constant enemies of your chassis. Exposed threads on bolts, suspension components, and trailer hitches oxidize rapidly in these conditions. When you eventually need to change a shock absorber or remove a bracket, you'll find the bolt is seized solid. You'll likely snap the bolt head off, forcing you to drill it out. A 10-minute repair quickly turns into a 6-hour ordeal. With shop labor rates often exceeding $100 an hour, having a mechanic drill out seized bolts will make your bill skyrocket. Vaseline acts as a highly effective, low-cost rust-proofing agent. To apply it, crawl under the car safely using stands. Look for exposed bolt threads sticking out of nuts or spots where the undercoating has chipped away. Clean off the loose dirt, then smear a thick coating of Vaseline over the exposed threads and bolt heads. Because it's thick and water-resistant, it won't wash off easily. It seals the metal from oxygen and salt perfectly. 3 years from now, when you go to loosen that bolt, it will turn freely. You are essentially saving your future self a massive headache. Hack number 4. Remove sticky residue, bug splatter, and tar. Road tar, tree sap, and the adhesive from old bumper stickers are incredibly stubborn as they bond directly to your clear coat. Most guys get impatient and grab a kitchen scouring pad or a razor blade, or they scrub so hard they scratch the paint. Once you scratch through that clear coat, you can't simply polish it out. You've damaged the panel permanently. Professional paint correction or a repaint can cost hundreds of dollars, but petroleum jelly is actually a mild solvent that breaks down the chemical bonds of adhesives and tar. To use it, take a glob of Vaseline and dab it directly onto the tar spot, sap, or sticker residue. Don't scrub yet, just let it sit there for about 15 to 20 minutes. The residue will soften significantly, allowing you to wipe it away gently with a microfiber cloth. If it's really stubborn, just repeat the process. This dissolves the sticky mess chemically rather than mechanically. That means no scratching and no scraping. It is completely safe for your clear coat and much gentler than using harsh chemical solvents like acetone. Hack number 3. Clear foggy headlights instantly. Polycarbonate headlight lenses oxidize under UV light, turning yellow and cloudy over time. This isn't just an eyesore, it's dangerous. Cloudy lenses diffuse the light beam, significantly reducing your night vision. In many places, this is even an automatic fail on a vehicle safety inspection. A new set of headlight assemblies for a modern car can easily run $500 to $1,000, and professional restoration kits take both money and time. If you need a quick fix to pass an inspection or improve visibility for a night drive, Vaseline works wonders. Start by cleaning the headlight to remove surface dirt. Rub a small amount of Vaseline over the entire lens, then buff it with a clean cloth until it's smooth. The Vaseline fills in the microscopic pits and scratches that cause the foggy look. Because the refractive index of the jelly is close to the plastic, it makes the lens appear clear again. It also acts as a temporary sealant to prevent further oxidation. While this will eventually wash off and isn't a permanent cure, it's a brilliant low-cost fix when you're in a pinch. Hack number 2. Lubricate light bulb threads. Imagine you have a burnt-out brake light. You go to change it, but the metal base of the bulb has corroded and fused solid to the socket. If you twist too hard, the glass bulb can shatter in your fingers, slicing your hand. Then, you're stuck using needle-nose pliers to dig the metal base out, which usually damages the socket contacts in the process. Between a potential trip to the emergency room for stitches or buying a new wiring pigtail and splicing it in, this small part can cause a massive headache. While dielectric grease is the professional standard, Vaseline works in a pinch to protect those threads. When you install a new bulb, put a tiny, and I mean tiny, dab of Vaseline on the metal threads or the bayonet pins. Be very careful not to get it on the electrical contact point at the bottom. You only want it on the sides that touch the socket walls. This simple step lubricates the installation and prevents moisture from fusing the metal parts together. The next time that bulb burns out, it will twist out effortlessly, saving your socket and your fingers. Hack number 1. Protect chrome accents. We've reached number 1, which is a favorite trick of the classic car community. Chrome plating is beautiful, but it is actually porous. This means moisture can seep through the plating to the steel underneath, causing pitting and rust bubbles. Once chrome starts pitting, there is no going back. The result is that your classic cruiser or expensive truck grille starts to look terrible as the rust spreads like a cancer under the surface. If you've priced re-chroming lately, you know it's a shock. Re-chroming a single bumper can cost $1,000. Buying new trim is equally painful on the wallet. Thankfully, Vaseline is the ultimate low-cost chrome polish and protectant. To apply it, simply clean the chrome and smear Vaseline all over the surface. Let it sit for a few minutes, then buff it off with a soft cloth. Keep buffing until it shines like a mirror. This doesn't just remove minor water spots and grime. More importantly, it leaves a microscopic protective film. This film fills the pores of the chrome, locking out moisture and oxygen. If you store your car for the winter, leaving a thicker coat of Vaseline on the chrome is one of the best ways to ensure it looks perfect come spring. Bonus point. Dashboard shine. Here is a quick bonus before we get to the safety warnings. If your dashboard looks dry and you're out of interior detailer, You can actually use Vaseline to bring back the life of the interior. However, you must use it sparingly. Apply a tiny amount to a soft cloth, rub it into the surface, and then buff it completely dry. This helps condition the vinyl and gives it a clean look. But be warned, if you leave the layer too thick, it will stay greasy and act as a magnet for dust. The key is to keep buffing until the plastic feels dry to the touch. It's a great emergency alternative for a clean, conditioned interior. Places to avoid. Safety warning. Now, before you go running to the garage with a tub of Vaseline, we need to talk about where you should never use it. This is vital for your safety. Number 1. Brake rotors and pads. This should be obvious. Vaseline is a lubricant. Brakes work on friction. If you get this on your rotors, you will not stop. Number 2. The steering wheel. Do not use it to shine your steering wheel. It will make the wheel slippery. If your hand slips during an evasive maneuver, you could cause an accident. Number 3. Tire tread. Never put it on the tread of your tires to make them look black. It will reduce traction. Number 4. Serpentine belts. Never put it on squeaky engine belts. It will cause the belt to slip, which stops your alternator and water pump from working. Vaseline isn't a replacement for every specialized product in the world. But for a few bucks, it is undeniably one of the most versatile tools you can keep in your garage. It prevents rust, stops freezing, lubricates latches, and saves you from expensive repairs down the road. It's about being smart with your maintenance and using what works, not just what's marketed to you. If you found these hacks useful, hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Drop a comment below. Do you have an old-school car hack passed down from your dad or grandfather? I want to hear it. And if you want to know how to deep clean your engine bay without destroying your electronics, make sure you click the subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our upcoming video on that. Thanks for watching Motor Minds. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.